Being in the business for 4 years and observing my other colleagues in the business, I said to myself, how do I separate myself from the traditional goat farmer? Everybody's just selling goat meat and everybody's enjoying goat meat as curry goat. But then there are many other ways to enjoy goat meat. There is goat sausage, there is goat burger, which is jam goat. You can also have goat pasta, and we have other ideas in line, maybe even goat nuggets. So I decided to put on my thinking hat with my family members and came up with an innovative way of where we can enjoy meat. Plus, goat is actually healthier red meat.
This is where the magic happens. We are now in the agro-processing section of this farm where goat meat is transformed into delectable goat burgers. Although we couldn't capture every step of the process, I can assure you that the journey from raw goat meat to gourmet jam goat burgers exemplifies the statement, your gift will make room for you.